I'm currently in the bathtub because it had the best lighting, so it's not weird. Sup, it's Sydney. Ice on my wrist. It's currently spring break and I'm in Florida, and whenever most college kids go on spring break in Florida, it's to get smashed and to get trashed. Well, we're not doing either of those. My friends and I are in Florida to go to Disney World. Family friendly, all the time. All the time. Just gotta, you know. Should we tell them our theory about the fingerprints?
Yes.
They're working with the FBI.
That was my theory!
Yes, exactly. With our FBI agent. I said our theory.
My theory.
Okay. They're taking our fingerprints and working with our person. Sorry. Our theory is they're taking our fingerprints and working with our personal FBI agent, and then they're going to use that information to ruin our lives. Yep. But we're just going to give it to them anyways because
it's Disney.
I have nothing to hide, okay? Plebeians. Now we're going on Rock and Roll Coaster, and I love this ride. What do you think about this one? Are you excited?
Yes, it's rocking.
Rock and Roller Coaster is a loud, thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type ride. For your safety, you should be in good health and free from high blood pressure, heart, back, or neck problems, motion sickness, or other conditions that could be aggravated by this adventure. Expectant mothers shouldn't ride.
So if you can't
if you're traveling with kids, be sure to keep an eye on them. And remember that you'll need to stow all bags and loose items. If you're traveling with any large packages that won't fit at your feet,
why does my brain think like this?
that's the business, and the fun's just ahead.
What are you guys still doing here? You're supposed to be at a show.
We're working.
Now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
Bye, Felicia. You're really in here. I got yelled at for having my phone out.
Hey everybody, Bill stuck in your car and you're waiting this
Gotta go.
We're about to shoot.
3, 2, 1.
Got a blast.
I was crying the whole time.
VIP, exit to your
Mascara
right.
is
See you next tour.
Look at Sam. Oh, Sam's not doing well. I gotta fix my mascara after that.
This? Unbothered.
Just got caramel apples. Oh my god, I have to open these without.
It's back in Thibodeau, where there's kids in backyard.
Oh, that was so close. Right now we're eating, and then we have fast passes for Tower of Terror, so we're gonna do that, and it's gonna be a great time, okay? It's gonna be just marvelous.
Supremies.
Tell me this isn't the most on-brand thing you've ever seen in your life. You're making fun of me for vlogging if you missed that. Emily's the only one that can.
Why did we eat all those Doritos before this?
I don't know. Bad decisions. Sam is afraid, but she's been on it before,
Background,
so
Sam.
she's gonna be
There you
fine.
go. Smile, girl. Star.
What was that?
You're gonna give a real one.
She's in mood right now.
Oh, evil.
Terrified.
Are you terrified?
Yeah, I am. I like to be close to death. Is your rush or whatever.
You crazy.
My mom does not like this at all. She doesn't like her stomach dropping, but it's gonna be great. She's gonna love it.
You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
I don't want to do this anymore.
I don't either.
I'm very scared. I'm gonna pee my pants.
Headphone warning. we just used our fast pass and we're in line for Toy Story Midway Mania, which is the shooting one, and I'm gonna crush everyone.
I'm probably gonna lose. I'm not very good at it.
It's okay. We're trying our best. I'm highly competitive, so this is an unsafe environment for me to be in. Oh my god! I'm too competitive for this. This is so bad. How are you doing, Emily?
I'm doing terrible, but you're doing really, really well.
Thanks, B. Oh my god. Okay, it's time to go.
It's your last game.
Arm is dead.
I go way too hard at the end, and it's too much for me. Oh my god. Broke 200.
I suck.
She did it, folks.
This today, 389.
Not trying to flex, but completely trying to flex.
I would like that popsicle stick.
I don't like that. We just got popcorn. That will be gone in, I don't know, everyone take a guess.
30 seconds.
I'm gonna start a timer right now.
I should shut it on all of you so that it takes longer, and then I win automatically.
And then, hey, we're gonna walk to the Indiana Jones show so we can watch it and get in line, and then get more popcorn.
It's almost empty.
Look at it. Oh my god. I hate us so much for that.
Where's my food?
That took us, guess how long?
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
No.
2 minutes and 41 seconds.
2 minutes.
Yes! Okay, we're about to watch Indiana Jones and they just picked soap as an extra. I'm literally dead.
I'm Sophia, I'm from Pennsylvania.
Woo! Wow!
A lot of loud dramatic screaming on action! And
That was
cut.
so weird.
Nice work, you guys!
God said, let there be light. There she goes. Why is she separate? What is going on? Look at her. Oh no.
Now this next scene, Indy.
How does it feel to be a star of a movie?
It feels great.
Where were the costumes?
Just like right back there.
Did you have to sign a waiver or anything? You had to sign a waiver?
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Yeah. Catch me in the next indie movie.
Can we find you on IMDb?
We stole Sydney's camera.
We stole Sydney's camera.
We're gonna spill some tea on
We're
Sydney.
gonna spill some tea on Sydney.
What should we say?
Sydney still has 2 of her baby teeth.
Really?
Yeah.
I have something to say.
She's sometimes
Sydney
annoying and
roasts
is
me
a
a
brat. We all roast you. You deserve it.
I get roasted too much.
Like this video and subscribe to Sydney's channel. Also buy her merch.
Coming soon, I think. I don't know when it's coming out. I don't know.
We're currently waiting to watch Muppet Vision 3D, and then afterwards, we're gonna go on Tower of Terror again.
That's funny! Hey, Penguins, I got a joke. Why did the chicken force the guys? I need you there.
Our family friends are here, and they didn't want to go on Tower of Terror, so we stole their fast passes and all of their
I
bands.
saw Marissa, I look better when I did.
Break it down, your best moves, let's see them. Oh. Yeehaw or whatever.
Y'all ready for this?
My name is
Esteban Julio Ricardo Montoya de Rosa Ramirez.
We got on a very crowded bus, but now we're in Magic Kingdom, and we're gonna go and take pictures because that's what Allie has been looking forward to this entire trip.
Basically.
We all just got food. I got literally fries, water, and an Uncrustable because I'm 6 years old. This is so good to me. We randomly earlier got fast passes for the teacups, and it's actually like so cold, but we're gonna do it to them anyways.
You spin my head right round. When you go down, when you go down, down. I don't think I can get off. I don't know. I don't know, man. guy has us.
Fireworks start in 12 minutes.
Run.
We made it. We kind of pushed our way through, and people were kind of mad, but it's whatever.
Who pushes through crowds the best?
Allie does. We're about to go on our last ride. Soph is dead. It's Space Mountain. Last one, best one.